at all times. For the men e-bikers, that is not you guys. For the men under 19 to 29, you'll be doing stages 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And the men of full enduro will be racing all stages out there today. And obviously congratulations to the riders out there yesterday who did the Saturday Pro stage. You'll be getting bonus series points for your efforts. Stage 5 is all open now, all the whippets are all clear through there. So don't forget you'll head all the way down to the bottom on stage 5. But I'm not going to go into too much details. Obviously, of course, making sure you come into a complete stop at that stop sign. Failure to do so is an instant 60-second penalty, and you'll just be, our marshals will just radio through that 60-second penalty to us at Race Village. It'll get added to your time slip, and there'll be no appeals, no grounds for appeal. So make sure you come to a complete stop at that stop sign. Failure to do so again is a 60-second penalty, and you're only racing the stages assigned to you. So if you're under 19 or 19 to 29, don't do stage 1, otherwise you'll get a 10-second penalty. As soon as you finish your race, you're going to head straight back to the centre of gravity to download your times, and then we'll get underway with presentations as quickly as possible. So all stages are open, so please make sure you go into the shortest queue to make sure you finish your course in a timely manner today. And again, once you finish, head straight back here. And if you did want to help with some debunting, it'd be hugely appreciated. We'll shuttle you to the top of the hill, give you some rubbish bags, and if you can walk down, pull some bunting down, and we'll either refund your entry today or give you a free entry to the next one. But apart from that, I hope you guys have fun out there for our under-19s, our 19 to 29, and our men full enduro. Stay safe, have fun, let's go Joe!
Get a feature on the YouTube? Huh? Get a feature on the YouTube?
And for don't blame us if you're not having a result. It was great to see so much interest in great quality. Yeah, so we've got some good presentations going very, very shortly. Don't forget the screen
Yes, mate, if you crash on here, honestly, you deserve something other than to lose.
I agree.
He's not gonna do it. Yeah, I think he can. Bro, want to train it? Yeah, I'll train it.
Alright.
Go on. I'll find him.
See you at the bottom. Good luck.
Good luck.
Yeah.
Presentations for today.
Is that a fucking bug? I feel like a blurry patch down here from the Nannup race I smashed my helmet in. It's annoying. You reckon I'll catch him? Yeah, right.
Oh, actually him.
Maybe just because he's blind, it is a bit long. Good luck.
Yeah,
See you at the bottom.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Oh! I almost lost it twice. And I had negative there. For that middle section, I just and like every mini corner, there was someone watching. I swear I was going down the slowest. That's so it's so hard to, in that middle section. Just feel like
Fucking hell.
that 180. I'm just like, fuck. Surely I'm not gonna slow down more than this. I'm just keep going. Slower.
I couldn't
slower,
pump.
far out.
I ended up doing this whole scooter around that corner. Put
No.
the foot down and went.
No.
I think I nailed that corner. I went like inside, threw a skid, foot out, and then just got straight back on the pedals.
You know, like first rock burn. I came into my front foot. My legs were shaking. Like I couldn't even pump.
Yeah.
Did you feel like I felt like I wasn't even fucking moving?
Yeah.
Bontrager 108 Super Drive. Whatever that means. Sounds killer. I'm looking forward to lunch after this. I'm gonna get some chicken nuggies. They have chicken nuggies and chips. Chicken nuggets are chicken nuggets, man. The best marshal's down there watching Tipping Point. Yep. He's my favourite. I remember Pemby, he was at the start of Bloody Mary. and he had this timing thing on his phone.
Yeah, he did.
Time every 30 seconds, and then if anyone took over the 30 seconds to go, he'd just fucking yell at them until they went. That was funny.
He turned it off when I was there. Josh Moore's in front of me. I'm not catching him.
I spent a whole week trying to think of a name for the channel, and I just decided just to put my name. People were saying I should do like Zach Rides, or like Zach Sends Fatties, stuff like that. And I was like, nah.
Alright, you 11-year-old.
Yeah. So I was like, nah, if I put my name, people will know my name. They'll know because I'll be on the floor, and I'll say, what's your name for the medical certificate? And I'll say Zach Whitaker.
That's why it felt so close.
I'm not here for speed, I'm here for fun.
I hit like road gap. I hit a gap with it and shot.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man. I feel like I should have put my butt on the right. I haven't raced butt for so long.
Alright.
Get it, boy. Give him a big gap, though.
Yeah, I'll wait until I can't see him.
Oh, he's looking straight up. There.
Oh, slow down. You need a pee? I don't need a shit.
I'm gonna run down the trail.
No, don't run down, ride down.
Yeah,
Alright,
push down.
let's do it. Good luck, see you at the bottom.
To the bottom.
How'd you go?
Yeah, good. I think I slightly cased the road gap.
I pumped it.
Came cooking in, but those berms are hard to keep speed.
The rock garden actually felt good though, like it was dry.
Yeah.
I landed on just about. I won't say but I slowed down. You're gonna go get water.
I thought.
I forgot about the valley section.
Yeah, it's the fadeaway. I don't like it.
Starting recording, alright. See you at the bottom, mate.
Yeah, so we started off.
shit.
I actually got that.
That was good.
I didn't even hit that tree after that flat check. I kept high.
Look how much air you get on that step down.
And, like, grip, because I was like, if I go high and drift down.
We're showing you the whole way.
I volunteer.
Alright. 7 seconds. Go!
Yeah, boy.
Hello.
Man, it's quiet
I
now.
don't X shit right there.
No, please don't.
I was so funny. Francis told me like, oh yeah, go wide. I was like, oh yeah, I went wide. As I went with my back just slides out real full when I get swung off the light.
That's a lack of skill right there.
I know.
Yeah, you telling?
He wanted 40 seconds.
He wanted 40?
Is that what he said?
I don't know.
Well, he's freaking done it right. He's freaking under 30 seconds through the rock guard.
Yeah.
So go! Just chase him.
Alright. I got 2 feet, that's all that matters. Oh, Jesus, that's not the line. Oh.
I broke my back on the step up. Yeah, I did 2 years ago.
Second last trail of the day. Second last trail.
Huh?
Second last trail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was so fun. Angus carried us. Yeah. He beat us by a
Ah, it's a chiller.
Angus,
It's a chill one.
he was in our team.
You want
He
one?
beat me and Tarsi by a
Huh?
minute.
You want one?
No, I'm good. 7 for the bottom.
He got us the dub. You guys win it. Yeah.
I'll smash it now.
So you guys
I
just
don't
dragged me
know
all
what-
out.
I'm not.
I did it 2 years ago. I was in a mixed team. So
Me
it
and
was like,
me and TD just got rocked by him every run.
I did it with Lockie and Tarsi and Barry. It won by like 4 minutes.
We got done. We got given second.
Alright.
Yeah, what they
They
like.
fucked it up and then everyone left and then we got first. And we got a photo with no one there.
Should I just go?
Fucking king.
yeah, roll.
Alright, fair enough.
No, wait 30 seconds.
Okay.
Oh, fuck. I ran out of food.
No, you guys can get a watch.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, just go.
Alright, see you at the bottom. Stop. Jackson. Gross. Gone. Oh, I missed the drop because of that. Hello, buddy. How's that to finish? A blue tongue on blue tongue. Here comes Xavier. Yeah, Xavier! Finish strong! Yeah, mate. Yeah, boy. Hey, check this out. It's a blue tongue at the bottom of blue tongue. Hee.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah, it's actually a blue tongue at the bottom of blue tongue. Who would have guessed? Yeah, boy.
Yeah, Riley.
Yo. Nice. He just missed it, but there's a blue tongue at the bottom of blue tongue.
Go on, Charlie. I messed up that line.
Oh shit.
Come on, finish strong. Yeah, my foot slipped on that corner there, so I missed the drop.
Oh, I didn't die all day and I didn't go flat.